Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this profile icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner and then click on profile data, which is the first option. After that, you should wait a few seconds and you can add the profile picture and upload an image. You can also check out this QR code. Here you can add your personal information, so tap on the edit button. You can add the salutation, title, name, nickname, birthday. You can add contact information, including your email address, your phone number, and you can add your address to this section. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.